NFT Marketplace, the environment to tokenize your unique collectibles. NFT Marketplace is a blockchain environment to tokenize your unique collectibles. The NFT Marketplace grows with a market cap of $350 million and shines as a destiny for entrepreneurs and investors. The environment facilitates the tokenization of unique arts, virtual lands, games, tweets, accessories into NFTs. The platform is evolving with its unique ideas to tokenize your unique assets into NFTs. The existing assets can be tokenized into NFTs. Art, games, virtual land, videos, sport, fantasy sports, music, accessories, architecture, tweets, trading cards. The assets of non-fungible tokenization keeps growing with the trend and innovation. Our NFT Marketplace Development benefits you with surplus revenue for your NFT Marketplace, intrinsic asset value for your unique collectibles, range of tokenization options, a wide market visibility, automated listing of NFTs. Unleash blockchain app factories' creative minds to develop your NFT Marketplace.